classics. I think this is the first one I've seen come through here in the last 10 years. 1960 Ford Starliner, two-door hardtop or Club Victoria. Great look to it. Obviously black on black. 15-inch Krager SS's. Let's come up here and take a look at the front chrome grille, headlight surrounds. Take a look at this. Will not see these every day. Not like your Impalas, some of the other Mopar and Chevy products. Underneath the hood, 351 Cleveland with quench heads from a 70 Mustang. Sanderson block, hugger headers. Does have a 350 Posi with new bearing. That's paired up with a C6 automatic transmission. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see those. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there, or call us 507-386-1726. I will mention some of this bright work has a few little dings, like right here. It looks like it's original, so I mean, it looks good in the car, don't get me wrong, but you'll find a few imperfections here and there on it. And I wanted to point out one other thing. This side glass, which is just straight flat glass, does have a crack in it that's easy enough to replace. If the new owner would like that done, the consignor just asked us to represent it the way it is. So that's what we're doing. Not a real big deal since it's that side flat glass. Vinyl cloth, combination interior, very stock looking dash, and we're going to get around to that when we get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. But look at these long black body panels. Look pretty darn straight. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, check out these wings in the back. Rear tail lights, just a great look. Look at that rear. And again, you just do not see these like some of the other Mopars, Chevys. A little more rare to see one of these rolling around. All right, over here to the driver's side. As you can see, dual exhaust, and you'll be able to see the underside picks. Check out the exhaust, floor pans, and again at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. Here's a few more, kind of what I was talking about, some of that bright work, where there's just a few little small dingers in it. But again, nice finish, black, nice reflection coming off it. See all the way to our front door. Across the indoor showroom. Alright, let's check out this interior. Take a little peek at this. So again, cloth vinyl door panels, and it's matching up with the seat covers, bench seat up front. Don't really notice any rips, tears, holes, any major wear. Headliner, good shape. The old Sun Super Tack. How's that for a vintage cool tachometer for in here, mounted to the A-pillar. Wipers, FYI, still vacuum. They work, but they reminded me they're vacuum. Let's put it that way. Fuel gauge did work. I did not get the radio to power up, but check out this 1960 dash. I'm gonna go ahead and fire this up. See how easily it starts. Tack does work. As you can see, fuel gauge went up. I'll warm up just a tad here. Nice deep throaty sound coming out of that 351. And again, quench heads up a 70 Mustang. Slip around to the back. Ooh. A little cam tour. Deep throaty growl. This one's going to turn some heads the way it sounds and the way it looks. Yeah, check out the side profile of this car. Club Victoria, they considered it a two-door hardtop. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood, let you take a peek at the engine bay, and we'll wrap.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, so the hood spot, start up there, aluminum radiator, power steering, as you can see. The master cylinder back there, so it's hugger headers. Edelbrock intake. 351 Cleveland. See if the hose coming off the water pump. Heater hose disconnected, FYI. There's a battery disconnect right here also. Things to point out for the future owner that gets delivered, less times they're shipped out. Good sounding engine. Again, Sanderson block. Clinch heads 351. 1964 Starliner, two-door hardtopper. Club Victoria. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.